It's a bad man thing.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Wigs2WaistLength. I'm not going to spend too much time talking in this video. I think I'll let it speak for itself. But I'm really thinking about styling more wigs on camera. So if you are interested in more videos like this, then definitely give this video a thumbs up. And of course, leave me a comment down below. If you are new, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your girl. And I think I'm going to leave it here, let the video talk, and then we'll discuss my final thoughts.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright.
Okay, I was kidding. One thing that I did forget to mention with these bundles, I did notice that the closure was a little bit off from the rest of these bundles, as well as the color. It was nothing that was like really a big deal for me, but I did notice a slight difference between the two.
Feeling the crew, dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee pay. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know say make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hit me when you see me now. They want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, only make them. They got to go. Top of me in the bed, to my calm down.
Here we are with these bundles sent to me by UNice Hair. I'm proud of myself, y'all. So as far as the bundles are concerned, let's start with that. Shipping was really fast with UNice. I actually got it really fast within a couple of days. I believe they sent it by USPS. The hair has held up really well. I did use the hot glue gun method for these bundles, so I did have to cut my wefts. So because of that, I did get some shedding with this hair, especially after I washed it. And I'm still getting a little bit of shedding, but it's not as much as it was when I first washed it. Hair is hair, it's gonna shed. So I'm not too worried about that. This hair does have an odor when you wash it, and I've noticed each time it gets wet, it does still have that odor. This is completely dry. This is just with water and a leave-in conditioner that I use. So I'm actually really happy with, especially the frizziness. Happy that it hasn't poofed up as much as some other bundles have in the past for me. I did not bleach the knots on this unit, but of course, as you saw in the first part of this review, I did pluck the hairline. Now, what had happened was, do not do like I did. I plucked entirely too much on one side of this closure. I was gonna go with a deep side part, and I had some Klingon action going on. So I decided to just stick to the rivers and the lakes that I'm used to. And I went with a middle part until I can venture back into them side parts. Now I know for some this might be a little bit on the thin side. It's actually perfect for me, especially with these hot summer months coming up. I do not want all that hair on my neck. I definitely want to venture off into dyeing and curling and bleaching the knots and all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested in more reviews like this, more tutorials, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in the bundles, definitely check out UNice. I'll leave their information in the description box down below. And of course, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and of course subscribe to the channel. Ladies, you know what I say. Whatever wig you wear or make, whatever style, cut, or color, wear it with confidence, ladies, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.